In a line of boys, A is 8th from right and B is 12th from left. When A and B are interchange the position, B becomes 21st from left. What will be the position of A from the right? Your brain needs to be sharp and your vision needs to be very fast. See here, A is 8th from right and B is 12th from left. Then A and B change their positions and then B becomes over here. Now the problem with you, which you might be facing is, why did I place A over here and not over here and B not on this side? Because here B is 12th from left and next time B is 21st from left. So B will next time will definitely be on the right side, on this side. If I would have placed B over here and then interchanged the positions, then B would have been over here, then 12th over here and then 21st. This logic doesn't hold good. So that's why what we did was B on the left on 12th position and then B again on 21st position. So see here, A is 8th from right and B is 12th from left. Then B changes, both change the position. B becomes 21st from right afterwards. So what is the difference between A and B then? Means same B, now 21st, earlier 12th. So the difference is 9. So the difference is 9 over here. Now A was earlier 8th. Now this is B. So what we need is the position of A afterwards, means when A comes over here. What will be his position? Firstly there were 7 over here and this was 8 and now 9. So 8 plus 9 becomes 17. Answer is B.